Hello everyone, in this video I will show you top 20 MCQ about broadcast receiver in Android. The first question is, what is broadcast receiver in Android? First option is A. It is a component that manages the application user interface. B. It is a component that performs background operation. C. It is a component that receives and handles system-wide broadcast message. And D. It is a component that provides data to other applications through a content provider. My third option is right. Broadcast message by handle. Next question is, which class is the base class for all broadcast receiver in Android? In Android, which class? A. Broadcast receiver. B. Activity. C. Service. D. Content provider. So my first option is right. Broadcast receiver. My next question is, how can you define a broadcast receiver in Android manifest text file? Which type of tag you use? Receiver tag, activity tag, service tag, provider tag. So maybe I will use receiver tag. Next question is, which method is called when a broadcast is received by a unreceived create start command? But maybe first option is right, on receive. Next question is, what is the purpose of on receive method in a broadcast receive? Which type of method used? A. It is called when the receiver is first created. It is called when the receiver is being created. It is called when the broadcast receiver by receiver. And D. It is called when the receiver is registered by the system. So maybe C option will be right. Next question is, how can we register a broadcast receiver dynamically in Android? Register a broadcast receiver dynamically in Android. A. By declaring it in the Android manifest.html file. B. By calling register receiver method. C. By calling send broadcast in code. And D. By extending the broadcast receiver class. So B option will be right. Register receiver method. Next question, how can you register a broadcast receiver? Register a broadcast receiver dynamically by removing its declaration from entire manifest file, by calling on register receiver, C on send broadcast method, D extending broadcast receiver class. So my option the option will be right, on register receive. Next question is, which permission is required to receive a broadcast मैसेज? अगर हमको ब्रॉडकास्ट मैसेज को रिसीव करना हो तो इस तरह का मेथड आप कॉल करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट रिसीव एसएमएस कंटेक्ट एक्सेस फाइल लोकेशन, मे बी फर्स्ट ऑप्शन राइट. Maybe my next question is, how can we send a custom broadcast message in Android? A. By calling send broadcast, start activity, find service, start service. So definitely you can use a broadcast message. Next question, what is the purpose of Android enabled attribute receive in receiver tag? Okay, so it specifies the layout file the receiver. B. It determines whether the receiver can receive broadcast. C. It sets the theme for the receiver. And D. It defines the parent activity for the receiver. So maybe B option will be right. Okay. Whether the receiver can receive broadcast. Next question is, what is the purpose of Android export tag? Okay. And true. So in this question, for option, it specifies the layout file for the receiver. Determines whether the receiver can access the other application. C. It sets the theme for the receiver. D. It defines the parent activity for the receiver. So maybe B option would be right. Next, what is the purpose of Android property attribute in intent tag of a receiver? A. It specifies the layout file for the receiver. B. It determines the launch mode of the receiver. C. It sets the theme for the receiver. D. It determines the priority of the receiver for handling broadcasts. So my D option will be right. Next question is, what is the purpose of Android permission attribute in receiver tag? Okay. A. It specifies the layout file for the receiver. B. It determines the launch mode of the receiver. C. It sets the theme for the receiver. And D, it specifies the permission required to send a broadcast. So maybe in this option, my second fourth option is right. Next question is my, what is the purpose of indirect process attribute? Okay, receiver tag. It specifies the layout file for the receiver and launch mode the receiver and name the receiver and activity receiver. So process for attribute. So maybe यहाँ पे the option will be right. What is the difference between the normal broadcast and an order broadcast? Difference क्या होता है? Normal or order बात? There is no difference. Normal broadcast और ये हमारा ये आपको होगा right. Normal broadcast can be intercepted by other receiver, but why do other replicas broadcast होते हैं? और सिर्फ हमारे specific order of receiver ही होते हैं, follow करते हैं. Next question is, how can you use about the propagation uh, of an order broadcast in Android में जो हमारा broadcast order होता है propagation के लिए क्या होता है? Abort broadcast method, send ordered broadcast method, start service method, stop service method. E, abort broadcast method. My next question is, which method is called when an ordered method broadcast is received by a receiver? On receive, on create, on start command, on dot receive. So my D option is right. On a dot. My next question is, how can you declare a local broadcast receiver and that? Means अगर हमको local broadcast receiver को declare करना हो तो use करेंगे. Extending broadcast receiver class, declaring so I will show you directly answer register receiver method. What is the purpose of a local broadcast receiver in Android? First क्या होता है हमारा local जो हमारा broadcast receiver A, receive broadcast sent. So I will show you latest answer. It receives broadcast sent within the same application. Next, what is the purpose of Android protect broadcast attribute? What the means in receiver tag? So I will show you definitely directly answer D option. It specifies the type of protected broadcast and class.